Nothing is more important to your business than being able to stay connected to clients and coworkers. Blueline provides you with a suite of communication products, services, and features that unite reliable and intuitive technology with white-glove customer service. One thing that we know is that all the amazing functionality in the world doesn't matter if you don't know how to use it. That's why we strive to ensure that you are comfortable with our Blueline products by providing you with comprehensive video guides that complement our hands-on approach to technical support and customer service. In this video, you'll be introduced to some of the features of the UC client. By the end of this video, you should be able to locate and place calls to contacts, dial a number directly, check your voicemail, initiate a chat and view chat history, describe multiple ways to start a meeting, leverage a variety of features during a meeting, change your status, and navigate the Other Applications menu. We'll start by highlighting the most basic functionality, and then move into more complex features of the UC client. First, let's discuss the dashboard. The layout of the dashboard is designed to give you everything that you need in one place, with a variety of options for accessing the full functionality of the UC client. From the dashboard, there are icons to start a call, start a meeting, start a chat, or go to Account Manager settings. You can access the direct dial keypad by clicking the keypad icon at the top of the window. You can start a meeting using the meeting icon. In this section, we'll talk about accessing contacts and placing calls. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Here you will see a field to search for names within your corporate contact list. Once you start typing the name, the matching results will populate. You can scroll through the list and hover over the names to be presented with options to favorite the contact, start a chat, start a meeting, or dial their number or extension. Choose the person you'd like to contact by clicking their name, and their details will populate as you see here. Click on the phone icon for the number you want to call, and it will dial. Once the call is completed, click on the red phone icon to hang up. Now let's review how to dial a number directly. On the dashboard, choose Start Dialing under Calling. Your soft phone dial pad will appear and you can type in the number. Once initiated, you'll notice that the call duration is populating. Once dialed, you can mute the audio, place the call on hold, or transfer the call using the options shown here. If you place the call on hold, you will see the status next to the call duration. When you choose to transfer the call, you'll be presented with a window to choose the contact to transfer the call to. Once you've selected a contact, you would click the Transfer Call button to complete the transfer. Voicemail is a vital tool to keep you from missing important client information. In the UC client, checking your voicemail is simple and intuitive. Back on the dashboard, click on the voicemail icon. Here you'll be able to see any read or unread voicemails. You can also navigate to this from the dashboard under Voicemail and History. Let's take a closer look at the history function. Here you'll be able to view the history of inbound and outbound calls. Search criteria can be adjusted to all, the last 7 days, the last 14 days, the last month, or a custom range. This makes it incredibly easy to find what you're looking for. You can simply click on any contact in your history to initiate a new call. If you need an export of the call history, you can download a CSV file of it by clicking the Download button in the upper right-hand corner of the history screen. Filters can also be applied to find only inbound, outbound, or missed calls. Interoffice chat features are a great tool for enhancing collaboration and increasing efficiency in the workplace. Let's take a quick look at the UC Client's chat functionality. Back on the dashboard, click the chat icon. Here you'll see the chat history for anyone you've initiated chats with. To initiate a chat, choose the Start a Chat option. You can search for who you want to initiate a chat with in this window. As you initiate a chat, you will see it populate along with your other chats under Recents. You can toggle between chats, and as you see here, you'll get a red indicator noting that you have a new chat from that contact. From the chat screen, you can also initiate a meeting. Simply click on the meeting icon in the upper left-hand corner of the chat window. In this section, we'll review some of the steps for starting a meeting and some of the functionality that your UC client offers while a meeting's in progress. Starting a meeting with a selected contact is easy. First, click on the Start Meeting button. This will bring up the meeting window, which will populate your information. If you'd like to establish a guest PIN for meeting access, you can do it here. Once complete, click Start Meeting to start your meeting. Here you will see several options which include muting your audio, muting your video, and accessing additional conference settings. Click Enter Meeting to join the meeting. Another way to start a meeting is directly from the dashboard by clicking the Manage Meeting icon. You'll have two options here: using My Meeting Room, which can be utilized by sharing the meeting URL and optional PIN if established, or starting an instant meeting for one-time use. Let's take a look at an instant meeting. Once selected, you'll see the same meeting room that we showed you earlier. Here you see another option on the dashboard for starting a meeting. Now that you've seen several ways to start a meeting in the UC client, let's review some of the functionality once you enter a meeting. As you see here, the video for this demonstration is enabled. In the upper portion of the screen, you'll see an icon to invite guests to the meeting. Once you choose it, you'll see a list of available guests that you can add. Simply double-click on the contact you'd like to invite to the meeting. Once finished, click Invite Guests. As contacts join, you'll see their video, if enabled, populate in the meeting window. Toward the bottom of the screen, you'll see some options for the meeting window. Layout will allow you to adjust how the video windows appear. You will also see an option to share your screen, which is also available to the other participants across the meeting. Once selected, you can choose what you want to share, such as the entire screen or a particular application window. Once selected, the screen will populate on that contact's window within the meeting. Customization is one way to get the most out of your UC client experience. In this section, we'll review how to change your status and update your profile preferences. You have a profile icon which will default to your initials along the left toolbar. When you click on your profile icon, you'll have several options. First, you can choose a disposition to let others know of your status. These include Available, Away, this will default if your computer screen is locked, Do Not Disturb, which will prevent anyone from chatting with you, or invisible, which will make you appear offline. Additionally, you'll have access to your profile preferences, changing your password, and logging out. Clicking the question mark icon on the left toolbar will allow you to change the background on your dashboard, as demonstrated here. In this section, we'll briefly discuss the Other Applications menu in the UC client. You can navigate to the Other Applications menu by clicking on the multi-tile icon on the left toolbar. Here you can access the mobile download option, account manager functions, the CC admin, and the CC agent functions. Let's briefly explore the mobile download option. Once you click on this option, you'll be presented with the Coronexa Blueline mobile apps page. Simply scan the appropriate QR code for either iOS or Android on the screen, and this will direct you to complete the download. We'll cover the Coronexa Blueline app in a separate training course. We will also cover the account manager functionality in a later course. As you can see, the UC client is an elegant solution to meeting the communication needs of your business. We're excited and honored that you've chosen Blueline, and we look forward to helping you unlock the potential of our entire suite of products and services. At this point, you should be able to locate and place calls to contacts, dial a number directly, check your voicemail, initiate a chat and view chat history, describe multiple ways to start a meeting, leverage a variety of features during a meeting, change your status, and navigate the Other Applications menu. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.